Hey, Dr. Shoshany here. Today I wanted to talk about integrative sports performance. Athletes depend on their chiropractor to keep them competitive and keep them in the game. Just yesterday, ESPN dropped a great article talking about how the top 30 tennis players bring their chiropractors and travel the globe with them because they're not in pain. They're making sure their spine is properly aligned so they can continue to perform as the finely tuned machines that they are. Specifically, tennis players in that article, but also boxing legends like Evander Holyfield depend on chiropractic. MMA fighters, I've been treating a lot of them lately. They're getting beat up and they're beating other people up and they're using their body. They want to keep their weapons sharp. So to keep your weapons sharp and keep your spine in alignment is that competitive edge. So if you're an athlete and looking to ensure that you're going to continue performing at the top level, chiropractic should be your natural choice of treatment modalities. So I'm going to bring up two patients. They're both in different fields. One is a 500-meter Olympic hopeful, and the other is an MMA fighter that's about to go pro. Could get farther apart from their sports, but what they do have in common is repetitive motion, using one side of their body more than the other, and wearing down of the joints and exhausting themselves. So chiropractic care is what keeps their spine in alignment, make sure that the nerves, their brain is communicating to their body and their body's communicating to their brain so they could train effectively and injury-free. So talking about the runner, runners tend to have a pattern. So if they keep on, let's say, running from clockwise, right to left, they're working one side of the body more than the other, so one side will be more developed, making sure their spine is properly aligned, making sure their muscles are evenly aligned and making sure their muscles are evenly strong is a big part of how chiropractors and fitness trainers work together. So chiropractors, along with a physical therapist or a certified strength coach, can ensure that they're doing the exercises to maintain their alignment and maintain their balance. MMA fighter, they take a beating and they do have a favorite stance. So one guy will be a little more of a soft southpaw, one guy will have a much better right hook. So these types of things take their toll on the body, the repetitive strain. Sometimes they're getting their shoulders injured. So it's important to have someone on your team that understands the dynamics of repetitive injuries and of competitive athletes. When we work in this integrated approach, the chiropractor, the physical therapist, the massage therapist are all on the same team, and their primary objective is to make sure spine stays in alignment, the muscles stay strong and balanced. Chiropractors can keep your spine in alignment so you can stay competitive through the season, through your athletic career.